What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Labor Day. Me and friends John and Ethan are gonna go get some coffee, and hopefully the coffee shop's open because it is Labor Day. They both got Ethan has a CRX and then John has an EF right behind me. And I was like, you know what? I want to take my car, but I kind of want to take the Monkey. It's such a nice day out right now. I was like, it's gonna be like 80 today, but when you're moving, it's good. The weather feels like the weather is actually perfect for riding right now. It is hot though, you know, when you're kind of stuck at a light and shit, but yep. Also, I want to get rollers of John's car because he just got new wheels. I don't know like the exact way to say them. I've seen them before. They're like 5-spoke. Somebody's EIAA. They're made by Works. Trying to get me some rollers of their cars once we get to, I guess, the main street. There you go. 15x7. I forgot, like 25 something with a Saka GD wing. And he has AC on that stuff, so I got the windows up. And then you got Ethan right there with the little CRX. I feel like I'm gonna crash by just looking at him. He was supposed to be at the wedding, but what happened was all three of us were at Alan and Charmaine's wedding. It was like 2 days ago. The day I uploaded the last video. They did the wedding ceremony, you know, they did their, you know, I do's and stuff. And then what happened was, after that we had like a small little section, just like, I guess, you know, just drinking before we go to the tables and stuff and eat, and before everyone gives their speech. John was supposed to be there, but what happened was, I guess he went back to the Airbnb to drop off Alan's and Charmaine's dog, and then ended up literally knocking out completely. And then he wasn't even there for the whole wedding. So this dude just missed out on his sisters and brother-in-law wedding. Oh, I forgot you don't have power windows. That's good. I lowered it a little bit though. The back is fine. The front has to go a little bit lower. Damn. You got the CRO lies. Damn, this lady got race lines. It's gonna be a hot one today. I had a wedding 2 days ago. Now we are, you know, just enjoying the day. I had to kind of like stay home and recover yesterday. I kind of wanted to do a walk around video of the bike yesterday, but the thing is, dude, I got so drunk. I didn't throw up or anything, but anyways, weddings are fun. I think that's like, I've been so far for the past, say, 5 years. I've had one wedding per year. This one's in August. I do the bike's at op temp right now, so I'll do a pull for you guys if there's no cops. I mean, this bike can only go so fast, but the thing is so loud. Damn, it's a light. Damn, the bike cooled down 2 to 3 degrees because of that. Oh, it come down to 87. That's at 90 Celsius. The amount of looks I get on this bike is crazy. They're like, what is that little thing? Is that even street legal? Can I even go the freeway speeds? I think if you had a Saka JDM, because he has the wing, so if you have the fenders, it'll look pretty sick too. Oh no, the surf is about to fall on your car. The surfer is about to fall on your car. Oh man, such a nice day out. I honestly think we should go to the bay or something. You know, at times like this, I do wish like having a 90 sauna, but it is what it is. We're gonna go to Walmart. John's gonna pick up speakers for the EF. Yeah, we're out there. We're gonna get some food. They wanted to take the freeway, and I was like, I'm down. This bike can cruise on the freeway all day. I've actually known John in the white EF since, or not the white EF, the silver EF since, like pretty recent, but I've known his brother and sister since middle school, which is crazy. That's why I went to his sister's wedding. John used to have a Grom, but he actually wants to get back into riding. So hopefully the time comes, and then I'm gonna see if I can get my CF 110 build done by right around the block, so that he can ride with us. I'll let him borrow it. Oh my god, this road's so bad. Oh, looks like an RS. Is it an RS? Is it? It's an RS. Those are rare. That's a no Mahana, guys. Wow, that's a nice house. I've actually just like riding around, and then look at that home. Oh my god, this road's so bad. Oh. Whoa, that's new. It's crazy how low EF exhaust is sit. Literally right there, like there's a spare wheel. The exhaust can't sit any higher. The best exhaust I like on these two cars is the HKS one with the dual tip. That's like the best like looking exhaust for these chassis, I feel like. We're heading back to John's house so he can sell speakers or just on chill. Gonna take the Freeway back home with him. This bike's good as long as it's moving. I kinda wish I had earplugs though. High RPM, this thing is kinda loud. I normally take the Freeway when I'm in a group, but sometimes I go by myself, I guess. Like 70 right now. I just realized something. Since I don't have a jacket on, all these bugs are hitting my arm. Hurts. quick little 2 exits.